All right, I'm going to show you some examples of when you would add, use, drop, or share remainders. For the first example, I'm going to look at one of the task cards you're going to be given, so I'm giving you an answer here. At the doctor's office, bandages come in packages of 8. If they used 67 bandages for all of the shots they gave in one day, how many packages of bandages did they open? So I see 67 in packages of 8. So I'm going to try and figure out how many packages they opened. So I have 67 divided by 8. 8 can't go into 6, so I'm going to go for 67. I know 8 times 8 is 64, so I'm going to say 8. 64 times, minus, subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. I have a remainder of 3 Band-Aids. So I've got 8 packages open, and then I used 3 more. So in this case, they had to open another package in order to get those 3 Band-Aids, right? So this is going to be a case of add to the quotient. So you're supposed to take the quotient and add 1 more. So in this case, instead of the 8 packages, they actually had to open 9 packages because they had to open that 1 more to get those 3 Band-Aids out. Okay, so this is add it. Where we take, can you even see me? Take quotient, which is this whole number right here, and add 1 more to make 9. Okay, next example. Okay. We're going to look at number 6 here. At Costco, many mini Oreos come in a box of 38 bags. Mom put a box in each of her 4 kids' lunches every day. That's such a nice mom. How many days worth of Oreos does she have? Okay, so she's got 38 bags. 38. And she puts it into 4 kids' lunches every day, so we want to know how many days worth she has. 4 can't go into 3, so I've got to go to 38. 4 can go into 38. I know 4 times 9 is 36. 8 minus 6 is 2. I've got a remainder of 2. Now, she has 9 days worth. And then on that last day, she's got 2 bags left over. She can either choose her 2 favorite kids and just give them some on the 10th day, or she could stop there and just do 9 days. I'm going to go with stop there and just do 9 days because that's just really not fair. So in this case, we are dropping it. We are ignoring the remainder and just using the whole number quotient because in real life, you can't split a bag very easily. You would have to open it up and put it into other bags, and that's not what she's doing. She just wants to dump the bags in there easily. So this is a case of when we would just drop the remainder. Okay. Next, I have a handwritten one here. The family bought 36 plants. They separate them into 5 equal rows. How many plants were left over? So 36 plants, 5 equal rows. Let's see, 5 into 36. I know it can go 6 times because 5 times 6 is, oh wait, that's wrong. 7 times, oops. My math is slipping. 5 times 7 is 35. 6 minus 5 is 1. We have a remainder of 1. This is asking how many plants were left over. So we've got 7 rows of plants. Okay? But they want to know how many are left over. How many are left over? 1 is left over. So in this case, we're only using the remainder, which in this case is, I don't know if you can see me, use it. Only the remainder. 1 is left over. It's asking me how many are left over. So this is a case of use it for interpreting the remainder. The last one, it's going to be number 8 here. Jana drank 86 ounces of water. Each cup holds 8 ounces. How many cups did she drink? All right, so let's see. 86 ounces divided by 8, which is how many ounces each cup can hold. We want to know how many cups she drank. 8 can go into 8 one time. 8 times 1 is 8. Minus is 0. Bring down the 6. 8 can't go into 6. So she drank, oh wait, sorry, I almost skipped a step. So 8 can't go into 6. So then it can go in 0 times. Okay? So I put a 0 up top. 8 times 0 is 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. So we have a remainder of 6. Now, she didn't drink 10 cups. Remainder 6. She drank 10 cups. 10 and, here, let's take that off there. She drank 10 and 8/6. No, 6. I'm really slipping right now. 6/8 of a cup. We're going to rewrite that. 10 and 6/8 of a cup. Because it's not asking how many full cups of water she drank. It's just asking how many cups. So she drank 10 and 6/8 of a cup. This is the share it example, which is when you include the remainder in your answer as a fraction or a decimal. So I could go a step further and divide those and figure out what the decimal is, but we haven't done that yet, so we're not gonna do that. If you were dealing with money, you would probably want to include the decimal instead of a fraction as the remainder, or in your answer.